Good morning, student. So see, today I am taking the 8th class of the chapter tangents और नॉर्मल. ठीक है, टेंजेंट्स और नॉर्मल का आज मैं क्या ले रहा हूँ 8th क्लास. So already I have discussed many questions from the chapter tangents and normal. Today I am doing question number 20. Question number 20 is a very simple sum. Here what we have to do? Here just we have to find the equation of the normal. है कि नहीं? हम लोग को सब इक्वेशन ऑफ द नॉर्मल निकालना है इस क्वेश्चन पे. तो इस क्वेश्चन पे इक्वेशन ऑफ द नॉर्मल निकालने के लिए हम लोग को एक सिंपल फॉर्मूला यूज करना है. वो फॉर्मूला क्या है? y माइनस वाई वन इक्वल टू माइनस वन बाई डी वाई बाई डी एक्स एट द पॉइंट x1 y1 इंटू x माइनस x1. x1 और y1 का वैल्यू ऑलरेडी क्वेश्चन पे दिया हुआ है. व्हाट इज x1? दिस इज x1 एंड दिस इज y1. ये क्वेश्चन ऑलरेडी दिया हुआ है. सो हम लोग जस्ट यहाँ पे वैल्यू पुट कर देंगे और आंसर निकल जाएगा. और क्या निकालना है? इसको निकालना है. सिर्फ यही निकालना है हम लोग को क्वेश्चन पे. dy by dx एट द पॉइंट x1 y1. अगर ये निकल जाएगा तो ऑटोमेटिकली इक्वेशन का नॉर्मल निकल जाएगा. सो पहले हम लोग क्या करेंगे? इसको निकाल देते हैं. ठीक है. दूसरा क्वेश्चन क्या था? दूसरा क्वेश्चन पे हम लोग को x1 y1 भी निकालना पड़ता था, लेकिन इस क्वेश्चन पे हम लोग को x1 y1 निकालना नहीं पड़ेगा. ठीक है. सो फर्स्ट लेट अस फाइंड द वैल्यू ऑफ dy by dx एट द पॉइंट x1 y1. दिस इज द गिवन का. So first to write given car. Given car is what is the given car? Ay square equal to x cube. So let us differentiate, multiply by 1. So differentiating 1 with respect to x, we get differentiating 1 with respect to x, we get what we shall get. You see, this is a is a constant, differentiation of y square is 2y, and we have to multiply the result by dy by dx, and this is 3x square. Okay, so what are the points? So what is the value of dy by dx from here? dy by dx will be 3x square by 2ay. 3x square by 2ay. This is the value of dy by dx. But we have to find the value of dy by dx. Here we have to find the value of dy by dx at the point x1 y1. So let us find it. So dy by dx at the point am square am cube equal to, that means in place of x we shall write am square, in place of y we shall write am cube. Okay, this is the x coordinate and this is the y coordinate. So this is a 3 am square whole square by this is 2a. What is the value of y? Am cube. So in place of y I put the value of am cube. Okay. So this is equal to how much? 3 a square m to the power 4 by this is twice a square m cube. So m cube, this is cancelled, we are getting only m. A square is cancelled, so this is 3 m by 2. Okay, so this is the value of dy by dx at the point x1 y1. So what is the equation of the normal? So the equation of the normal is y minus, what is the value of y1? y1 is am cube minus 1 by dy by dx, this value. So what is the value of this one? 3m by 2 into x minus x1. What is the value of x1? am square. Okay, just I have applied the formula. I have applied the formula of equation of a normal. So let us cross multiply and find the value. So this is y minus am cube equal to y minus am cube is equal to minus 2 by 3m x minus am square. Cross multiply 3, this is 3ym, this is 3a m to the power 4. Okay, this is minus twice x plus 2a m square. Okay, so if we shift this twice x here, this is twice x plus 3ym, twice x plus 3ym is equal to 2am square plus 3a m to the power 4. So this is the equation of the normal. Okay, so we have got the equation of the normal. This is the answer. Clear? It's a very simple sum. We have found the equation of the normal just by applying the simple formula. Okay, so let us move the next formula. Next sum. Next sum is very important because here some logic, some concepts and the calculations will be required. So let us write the question first. After that, let us solve the question. What is the question? Find the equation of the normal to the curve. Find 21. Question number 21. Okay. Find the equation of the normal. Find the equation of the normal to the curve. Find the equation of the normal to the curve. Y equal to x cube plus twice x plus 6. Which are parallel to the right? Which are parallel to the line? Which are parallel to the line? X plus 14y plus 4 equal to 0. So this is the question. First to try to understand the question here. Find the equation of the normal to the curve y equal to x cube plus twice x plus 6 which are parallel to the line x plus 14y plus 4 equal to 0. Okay, so first to try to understand the question. One curve is given, so let us draw the curve. Suppose this is the curve. Okay, because if you cannot draw the diagram and if you cannot make the concept in the beginning of the question, then it will be very difficult for you to solve the sum. Okay, so first let us make the diagram. Find the equation of the normal to the curve y equal to x cube plus twice x plus 6. I have drawn the curve which are parallel to the line. Suppose this one. So at this point we have to draw a normal. So for a normal first you have to draw the tangent. So now you draw the normal here. So this is the normal. So we have to find the equation. Normal to find. We are not going to find the equation of the tangent. We are going to find the equation of the normal. Clear? Now, according to the question, this normal is parallel to the line. This is the line x plus 14y plus 4 equal to 0. This is the normal. This normal is parallel to this line. What is the slope of the normal? The slope, this is the slope of a normal, minus 1 by dy by dx at the point x1 y1. This is the slope of the normal. Okay, this is the, and what slope of a tangent is dy by dx at the point x1 y1. But the slope of a normal is minus 1 by dy by dx at the point x1 y1. And what is the slope of this line? Minus a by b, gave you the formula. What is the slope? Minus a. A is 1 by b, 14. That means this value is equal to this value. Slope of the normal, this, because these two lines are parallel. So this slope, this is the slope of this line, this is the slope of this line. That means these two values must be equal. Okay, so this is the another condition. So one condition we shall get in the beginning of the question. I tell you that in the car we shall replace y by y1 and x by x1. We shall get one equation. Other condition is what? These values will be equal to this one because this normal is parallel to this line. So their slopes must be equal. Okay, so let us start the sum. So what is the sum here? First, so you can draw the diagram. After that, let us start the sum. So given curve is given curve is y equal to x cube plus twice x plus 6 multiplied by 1. This is the given curve. Okay, we have to draw the normal at a point. We do not know what is the point, so let us consider the point. Let px1 y1 be the point at which then let px1 y1 be the point at which the normal is drawn. This question is different because we are drawing the normal. In all the previous questions we have drawn or we have found the equation of the tangent, but here we are finding the equation of the normal. So px1 y1 be the point at which the normal is drawn. So y can be replaced by y coordinate x1 cube. This is 2x1 plus 6 multiplied 2. Okay, now we have to find the slope of the normal. What is the given line? Given line is x equal to 40y plus 4. Given line is x plus 14y plus 4 equal to 0. Okay, this is 3. So let us consider that m1 and m2 are the slopes of the normal and slopes of the line. Let m1 and m2 be the slopes of the normal and the line 2 respectively. According to the question, it is given that the normal and this lines are parallel. That means their slopes will be equal. So what is the slope of this line? Formula is minus a by b. In the form, this is ax plus by plus c equal to 0. In this equation, the slope of the normal is minus a by b. This is the formula. Minus a by b. Okay. So let us find the slope. So what is the value of m2? Minus a by b. So this is the value of m2. So we have got the value of m2. Now we have to find the value of m1. M1 is what? M1 is minus 1 by dy by dx at the point x1 y1. Because this is the formula of the slope of a normal. So for that we have to find the value of dy by dx at the point x1 y1. Okay, so let us find. So let us write this line here. Y equal to x cube plus twice x plus 6. We have to differentiate it. Okay, so differentiating 1. dy by dx equal to 3x square plus 2. So what is the value of dy by dx at the point? Dy by dx at the point x1 y1 equal to how much? 3x square 3x square plus 2. So this is the value of dy by dx at the point x1 y1. According to the question, the slope of the normal. What is the slope? What is the slope of the normal? Minus 1 by this one. So what is the slope of the normal? So m2 equal to. So m2 equal to minus 1 by dy by dx at the point. So this is 3x1 square plus 2. Now according to the question, the slope of the normal and this line are parallel. So m1 will be equal to m2. So this is m1. So according to the question, m1 is equal to m2. So put the value of m1 and m2. What is the value of m1? Minus 1 by m1 is 3. m1 is equal to this one. Put the value of m1. m1 is minus 1 by 3x1 square plus 2. This is the value of m1. What is the value of m2? Minus 1 by 14. So minus cancel. So let us find the value of x1 from here. After that you can find the value of y1 also. Okay, so if we cross multiply, this implies 3x1 square plus 2 equal to 14. So what is the value of 3x1 square? 12. So x1 square equal to 4. So x1 equal to plus minus 2. So you have got the value of x1. When x1 equal to 2, we shall get the value of y1. When x1 equal to minus 2, we shall get the value of y1 also. Okay, so let us find the value of x1 y1 after that. So you have got two values of x1 y1. So when x1 equal to, so when x1 equal to, when x1 equal to 2, what is the value of y1? Let us put it here. 2 cube plus 2 into 2 plus 6, 4 plus 8, 12 plus 6, 18. So this is 1 point. So what is the equation of the normal? So equation of the normal at 2, 18 is equal to apply the formula. What is the formula? Y minus y1 equal to, we consider that the slope of the normal is m1. So what is the value of m1? m1 is 14. m1 is 14. So this is 14 into x minus x1. x1 is 2. So you simplify, you get the result here. Okay. When x1 equal to minus 2, when x1 equal to minus 2, y1 equal to how much? Again you put here minus 2 cube plus 2 into minus 2 plus 6. So this is minus 8 minus 4 plus 6. Minus 8 minus 4 is minus 12 minus 6. So this is equal to minus 6. Okay, so you put x1 equal to minus 2 and y1 equal to how much? Minus 6. So what is the equation of the normal? So equation of the normal is So the equation of the normal is y minus y1. What is the value of y1? y1 is minus 6. Slope of the normal is considered as m1. So what is the value of m1? m1 is minus 1 by only 14. So this is 14. X minus, what is the value of x1? x1 is minus 2. You will simplify, you will get the answer here. Okay, so you have completed the sum. Okay, so almost we have done many sums from this chapter. Still I will take 1 or 2 more classes on the tangents and normal, so that we can complete the entire exercise very nicely. Okay, so you try to practice as much as possible this chapter, otherwise you have to face problems again when the school will reopen. Okay, thank you.